cannot get distracted by your right now that you forget your tomorrow.
From you wake up every morning, use a winner, yeah.
Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. Let's go for a quick site visit and we'll talk more about my day. See these eyes? Tired, but let's go. My morning did not go as planned and I'm kind of bummed out by it. I'm going to the beauty supply store to repurchase a product because I cannot find it, and that's so strange to me. I want to wash my hair, but I don't want to wash my hair and not use the product. This is the product that I bought the last time. I showed you guys this in a vlog. Ignore my nails, it's chipped. I'm going to get them done tomorrow. I also got this. I've heard a lot of good things about this. Gonna try it for the first time. We're gonna see if you guys were lying about this. I won't get to film until later in the afternoon. Bummed out about that. So I'm gonna go home and film the time of the month. I'd be a hot mess. Y'all, I'm about to film. I'm writing my notes because we want to bring the information as well. Right? I just finished filming the video. It went well. Filming videos makes me very excited and it puts me in a good mood because I love creating content for you guys. I feel so much better now. I'm gonna rinse this out. I did want to film the other video, the other product that I showed you guys, this one right here, but it's already 3:40. I have my first clients at 5:30. I won't have the time. Happy Tuesday. It's 6:38. I'm waiting on my 6:30 client. My other client who trains with her, she canceled, so I'll be able to work out earlier this morning instead of this evening. Yeah, so I'll just get my workout in now at the gym after I train my client, because I started back with one of my later clients in the evening, so I won't get home until after basically almost 9 o'clock. I tried out the rainbow unicorn. You guys saw how I felt about that one. So now we're going to try out the Georgia peach sweet iced tea. Smells good. Oh my gosh, it tastes just like sweet iced tea, but it does have a bitter taste at the end. That may be the caffeine. Let me see again. I won't say not too bitter. I would drink black coffee like that, so the flavor isn't bothering me, but it is sweet. Why is my battery about to die? I need to buy a backup battery because this doesn't last at all. I was trying to show you guys a little bit of my workout today. I guess not. Sorry guys. I give this one an 8 out of 10. I like this better than the unicorn flavor for sure. This literally tastes like iced tea. They are on point with their flavors. I am in love with these nails. I usually get black or like white. I usually stick between those colors, but I've been on Pinterest saving nail pictures. Oh my god, this is so beautiful, especially in person. I love it. It did take her some time though because of all the swirls. I'm going to head home and edit. Well, eat then edit, and then I have my clients later this afternoon. Oh, I need to do a site visit. Oh, I got a roti for myself. What did Kayla get? Kayla got a Johnny cake.
Oh yeah, I can relax my hand.
I plain forgot that I had to pay my phone bill, so I'm gonna do that now. Womp womp womp. The contractors left, but my dad is here. They're about to pour the cement into the footing. They put in the majority of the steel. I recently had to purchase some more steel, a couple tons of steel, and some more blocks. And they removed the plywood from the cistern, inside the cistern. So that's where they're at so far. The next step is to finish putting up the steel. I was about to say happy Friday, but happy Thursday. I was just telling my client, this week went by so fast, eh? It was just Monday. Now it's Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. TGIF, week done, weekend done, Monday again. I'm waiting on my 6:30 client. My other 6:30 client, she canceled for the week, so I'll be able to work out after I train my client. Work out at the gym. You guys know the situation. That was an awesome workout. I did one of my really old from 4 years ago. It's still up on my channel. I did that upper body routine. I couldn't finish it. I was in crazy shape back in the day. Going to get back there slowly and surely. No rush. But I feel good. Every time I work out in a gym, it amplifies how much I miss working out in a gym consistently. Sooner or later. Hi guys, did I talk to you guys today? I don't remember. Oh yes, I did. We spoke in the gym, guys. It's afternoon now. It's after 5. I'm about to drink some protein. I never spoke to you guys about this one on the channel. Remember when I told you guys I need to look into getting some vegan pre-made protein shakes? So this is a brand. You guys saw this in one of my vlogs. Every time I look at the calories on these, I'm like, oh my god, 230 calories in this. So it's by the brand OWYN. 35 grams of plant protein, 100% plant-based, 0 net carbs, non-GMO, 100% gluten-free, no peanut or tree nuts. 376 mg. Do you guys read your nutrition facts? That's the amount of sodium it has. There's also 9 amino acids, 0 sugar. I have been drinking them. They're not the most tasty things. One of my clients tried the chocolate and it seemed like she hated it so much. But this is the no nut buttercup. This one doesn't taste too bad and the vanilla one doesn't taste too bad either. The only thing is that there's a distinctive aftertaste. Well proper sealed and it's 12 ounces. Whey protein breaks me out. It's not agreeing with my hormonal acne at all. It's hella thick and it actually tastes better when you water it down with ice. I kind of wanted to leave the house right away. I'm waiting on one client who told me she would be late, and I also have my late client tonight. But before that, I think I'm going to go for a run. Dang, cause I forgot my shoes. I told myself to pack the shoes. Vacation is slowly coming to an end. I think it's like 2 more weeks or a week and a half to myself until I start back my other job. I did set out to get some cleaning done, which I haven't really done at all, and I need to get rid of some of my clothes because I have no space for my clothes, because I usually wear workout clothes. I don't even have space to put my workout clothes. I still have a lot of clothes from way back that I don't really wear. I'm gonna get something to eat. It's 12:24. I'm not that hungry. I already ate breakfast earlier. I'm gonna have a smoothie or just a protein shake. I don't think I ever showed you guys the protein powder that I'm currently using. So it's a vegan protein powder because, you know, whey breaks me out really badly. My acne is all hormonal and I feel like I have to keep telling you guys this. A lot of you are always trying to figure out why I'm breaking out. Let me have my hormonal acne piece, please. Well, it's naked pea, 100% premium pea protein. It's okay. The taste, it's an acquired taste. It's not whey. It's just something you have to get used to. So 2 scoops is 27 grams of protein. Now I'm just getting rid of the clothes that I don't wear. If Kayla likes any of the clothes that I'm getting rid of, I'm just going to give it to her so she'll be trying them on. She's so excited. The girl loves clothes, okay? Oh, it's hot. I'm trying to watch Netflix and do this. I'm trying to listen to music as well, but my speaker is taking hella long to charge. So we were jamming. I have to listen to Beyonce's new album. I haven't gotten a chance to listen to that. And I also need to listen to Burna Boy's new album as well. I've been listening to a few songs, but I haven't listened to the full album as yet. I still have my Primary 5 shirt. I don't know if you guys did this on your island, or I don't know if you guys do this in America. You guys watch me from all over the world, so I don't know where you are right now, but in your last class for Primary 5, everyone writes on your shirt. And that was years ago, but I still kept my shirt for memories. You like it? You love it? All right, nice. Next.
I love it. I like the colors and the patterns.
Okay, cute.
I'm on Broadway.
Get it, girl. This shirt is from College Caribbean Students Association. Big up yourself. Still have my house shirt from primary school as well. I finished with sorting out the clothes. I had a big bag of clothes to give away, and I give Kayla a good amount of clothes as well. If I'm not wearing certain clothes, it doesn't make sense for me to have them. I don't like hoarding stuff, so I do that like every year. I just go through my clothes to see what I don't wear to give them away. And my mom has someone she gives them to send to St. Vincent, like my shirt, my St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So I'm about to go to the gym with babe. We're going to do some cardio. Did I tell you guys my treadmill, it still works, but I think the belt is giving issues to where it makes noises, very loud noises, and sometimes I just cannot tolerate loud noises. Good morning guys, I'm currently finishing up one of my videos. It's after 11. Right after I finish this, I'm going to wash my hair, film again, switching between filming different videos. You just have to mentally get yourself in that headspace, but you know, you just gotta do it. I'm just gonna sit here for a while. I already started to set up and stuff like that, but yeah, I need some time. Good morning guys, I'm right at my computer desk. My curtain is pink, that's why I look this color. I'm doing some quick editing before I head over to the site because they're going to be pouring the concrete today on the bottom of the flooring, the bottom part of the foundation.
0.4 and finish that. A yard and a half.
Yeah, we're saying all the time.
My dad went home and I'm waiting for them to bring a yard and a half more of concrete because it wasn't enough. So to cover the footing of the foundation, it's gonna take 29 and a half yards. So I'm just waiting here until they bring it so I can sign the papers. I need my nap before my clients this afternoon. It's 3:23. I need to be home by 4 to take a nap, and I also need to finish editing that video that I filmed, and I'm going to post it before I leave for my 5:30 clients. And it's hot as hell out here and I'm thirsty. My water is finished. Good morning guys, today is Thursday, and at this point it doesn't make sense to record the days because this vlog is going to be all over the place, which is fine. But I'm about to visit this site. They finished pouring the concrete into the flooring. The next day, which was yesterday, I didn't get to film for you guys yesterday because I didn't go over there yesterday. They started adding the blocks for the wall. I already went there this morning, but I forgot my camera because we're bringing you guys along the journey. You guys are part of the journey at this point. Let's go and check it out. Hey guys, I'm about to skip some rope. For my cardio, I just feel like busting a sweat. It's hot as hell outside. Y'all see how bright it is? Skipping used to be something I used to do consistently. I kind of fell out of love with it. Let's see how this goes. I did about a little over 30 minutes and that heat has me tapped out, but I've been drinking a lot of water. Feel good. Hopefully I can work my way up to doing an hour. I'm about to shower, eat, get to editing and filming. I'm about to start filming and I have a headache. Oh, but I need to film this video today. I have to get it together. What's going on guys? It's your girl Razor in the ding, and welcome back to another video. And we are done. The sweat I was under, it's a process. It's really a process to be me. My first client is at 5:30. It's almost 4 o'clock. I'm gonna spend some time with babe for a little bit. Hey babe, I'm coming home. I need to sit in front of the fan for a little bit. All of my shorts sweating, all under my kneecap. Y'all can tell me what happened to this girl.
Hey, she feed me something wrong.
I fed you something wrong. What
You
did
put some blindness cause.
What? What are you talking about, kid?
If I watch ever after her, y'all gonna know what it is.
Acted so weird.
The blindness kindness cause. What am I doing? I need the 4 seasonal roses.
What are you talking about?
You don't watch Ever After?
No, what's that?
Hello.
What's your name?
Amira.
Amira who?
Amira Samon.
Wow. They saw you when you were a little baby. Now you're a big girl. What you doing, Amira? So what are you watching on your iPad? Slime? Is that slime?
Yeah.
You like watching slime?
Yeah.
Do you know how to make slime?
Yeah.
For real? You're gonna make some slime for Auntie?
Yeah. Balloons. Bye, everyone.
Welcome to my desk area where all the magic happens. Let's get to cleaning. I have my water bottle. I had to start bringing this into the house because I've been slacking on my water intake. Hold on. This is the bottle I carry to work. There's a strap. I put this around me and then I'm carrying my water. Filming and editing a lot is very messy. So let's get to cleaning. I actually need to get a laptop stand because my laptop overheats a lot and shuts off. I actually need a new laptop. Hopefully I can get a desktop. My affirmation cards. Today I invite calm and peace into my life.
You cannot get distracted by your right now that you forget your tomorrow.
Looks like it's looking like me and you. And if you ever question what heaven sounds like, just let it feel, just let it feel. Hey, show them. I found a spot. Wow, this is surreal. So this is literally the beginning of everything. They casted the footing, they started the blocks. I won't ever be able to sit here again, right? Because only going up from here. That's crazy. Of course, me showing you guys the process of what's going on is not to brag. My visions, my dreams is coming through. I didn't give up. I won't give up. And I hope this inspires you guys to never give up on your dreams. You know, you can have anything that you work towards. Continue to grow, continue to learn, have a plan, of course. Wow, this is so crazy to me. Won't he do it? But you have to really put in that work. I'm just trying to soak this in and just remember where it all started. Bye.